Hi, here is the Rollei Flash 35AF overall conditions. And here's the accessory, the landscape, the lens filter is to protect the lens, okay, and the pouch. Okay. First thing first, we open this compartment to insert the battery using two AA battery. I will just put accordingly. Here we'll show like how to put it in. After that, push and lock. And next step, by pulling here to open back cover. Okay. Then push here up and push the film in. Push this rewind button down. Make sure it's fully down because sometimes you might facing some like this. Yeah, it doesn't mean fully down. So you need to like turn a bit, like a lock it. And the film tip, here got like a hole at here. Just insert into it and wind it. Then we just close it. Before we close, make sure that your film is flat like this and close. So here is the on-off button of the camera. When you switch to here, it's locked. You cannot press the shutter. Then only you can press it. So after we load it, how to make sure that we have loaded it properly? So it's quite easy to see. When you wind the film, look at here. It will move together, which means that it's okay. Then now we can start shooting. While some people, they will wind until here to figure 1, then only they start shooting. But I will recommend you just straight shooting so you can get more picture. Like example, for one film you can take 36, but if you use this kind of method, maybe you can take like 38 or 37. Yeah, okay. Here is the viewfinder. Look into the viewfinder. We found out at the center point here got a bracket. Then here we have a black line. Yeah, it will move accordingly. So we just use the indicator to aim to the object we want to focus and half press the shutter. Okay. Yeah. When I half press to here, like the very bottom lah, it goes to a landscape, which means that it cannot focus. So it will automatically focus to infinity as is here is too near. Maybe I try focus other places and let you see. Okay, yeah. Here's a nearer one. So you see, it's at here. So I just shoot it. So here is very good for this kind of indicator as it will show you like whether it got focused properly or not. So you can like see by yourself lah. Because a lot of other camera is like this. Wow, you only can see it focus to where only when you shoot it. Then it only will show you. Like maybe Minolta High-Matic AF or Konica C35 AF also like this. After you shoot, then only you know it focus where. While for the Rollei, you just like half press to the bottom, then you can see it directly. Yeah, see, now it's at center. Okay. So also another thing, yeah, you see, when I half press, it got red light, which means that I need to open the flash by switching here to open the flash. And got another thing that I forgot to show you is actually we need to adjust the ISO when we insert the new film. Just now the film I use is 100, so I need to change here to 100. It's to let the camera know that what film you're using now, so it will choose a better setting for your film. If you choose it wrongly, either it will underexpose or overexpose. Okay, so you can either wait for here to light up, or you wait like maybe 20 seconds like that, then you can shoot. Oh, maybe it's like long time didn't use the flash, so yeah, we need to wait for a while. I think the overall function is just like the flash. Then after that I will show you the rewind. So wait for a bit for a while. Yeah, it's function, although here doesn't light up, but if you want, you can, before you use, you can open it and wait it until it light up, then only you start shooting. Because I long time didn't use it, so here it will like no charges. so you need to take some times for here to charge. Yeah. Then, oh, how to pull it. So remember, wind once, shoot once, wind once, shoot once. After you wind, you cannot pull wind again. Yeah, unless after you shoot it. Okay. Here we'll record how many shots you have took. While my recommend will be wind until you feel that there's a resistance that you cannot wind anymore or shoot anymore. Then only you rewind it. When you rewind, click the black button at the bottom here. Click it. Yeah, you see it light up. Off it first. If you didn't use the flash, remember to off it. So now it's showing you the way to rewind. Like when you finish the film, press the black button at the bottom and flip here up. Here got the arrow showing you the way to rewind. So we need to rewind the film back to the canister. Before we rewind, remember, don't open the back cover. If not, the outcome will be exposed to the light and will be all gone. Yeah. So you just wind until it becomes very loose. This is okay. Then we just take up, pull it up like that. Okay. So here is the overall function, and hope you enjoy it.